Without taking much of your time, let's start the program. Amrita, do you feel any turbulence here?
Yes, I do. The heartbeats have gone high, and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, song, lights, and joy. Well, here you are. Today we will take you through a rainbow of cultural programs prepared under the able stewardship of our teachers. I remember some beautiful lines which says that we dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, and we dance for fears. We dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create the dreams. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome kids from Mont 3 who are all set to perform on the song Namo Ganpate as a tribute to Lord Ganpati. Let's welcome Charvi Praveen, Samira Pathan, Sai Ashrita Boligarla, Raja Sai Shriyan, Ishan Vishnu, and Srijan Hamsa. Thank you.
सिद्धिविनायक सिद्धटेकचा करुणा